Vamos a seguir con otro single que hemos sacado que se llama Forbidden Love. I went down to the river to see if he was there. Swimming was a pretext, hence the flowers in my hair. But he was nowhere to be found. I thought I'd die. Everything he told me was a lie. And then I caught his eye. Forbidden love. He pretended not to see me, so I pretended to. The chase was half the battle. It made me feel brand new. But then I gazed, looked a little longer, and my body froze. The hair on my skin was standing beneath my clothes, and only he would know. Forbidden love. There's no use denying it. I'm addicted to the rush, and I accept that I will forever be a junkie for his touch. It always ended the same way. He wasn't mine to keep. I'm drowning in the water. The river runs too deep. But with one little whisper, everything was clear. We'd fly to the moon, there was nothing to fear. And then he disappeared.